Hey guys, Carson here. I'm sorry about that. So anyway, I have some stuff to show you because I just got back from Half Price Books. I said that wrong. I'm talking really fast right now. So first, what we have is National Geographic Angry Birds Space, A Furious Flight into the Final Frontier. I think that's what it said. I don't know. But anyways, it's just about space. Birds will talk. It says little baby stars. That's what the bluebird said. So next thing I want to show you is particularly really cool. I have a red bird of it. Just don't know where that one is. But it is Angry Birds Erasers Bombirds. 3 Bombirds in 1 pack. So I'm going to open these, but before I do, it says Angry Birds 6 and up, 3-pack, collectible puzzle erasers. Assemble erasers like a puzzle. Warning, choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 3 years. And it's from Rovio and Creative Kids, I think. Anyways, let's open this pack up. Whoa. That didn't help. Can't get this. We got this. There we go. It's not working. Oh no. There we go. Woo! Exciting. I did it. Pack is inside here. Oh, one of the bombirds broke. Let's take one out. Here's number 1 bombird. They're so cool. Number 2 bombird. And number 3. I also found a pack of 3 of red birds, but I didn't get those. So what they mean of puzzle, which you might already know, if you see here, I have taken the bird apart, which it can be taken apart, which you probably already know that, but it's really cool. You should really check out and find these at Half Price Books or other places like Toys R Us. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the next videos, and so do these bombirds. So, oh no, one's missing an eyebrow. Oh no. Their eyebrows are so skinny and won't fit in its face. Oh no, it's broken.